Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can fix the Gmail not sending emails issue on your Android phone really quickly. For example, if Gmail is not sending any emails anymore, but just queuing them. So let us show you really quickly how you may fix this. It is very simple. What you want to do is launch the Gmail application, of course, and access your Gmail account settings. To do that, tap on these three lines in the top left corner and scroll down here on the left panel and select settings from the bottom of that menu. Here inside your settings, simply tap on these three dots in the top right and select manage accounts here. And here inside your account management, simply select the associated Google account, which would be this one here in this case here. And last but not least, what you want to do is tap on account sync here. And make sure that you disable the Gmail syncing here by switching it off to the right. As you can see, the Gmail syncing has been turned off. Now to confirm that, simply close everything and restart your phone really quickly. After the restart, launch the Gmail application again and repeat the same process. Access your Gmail account settings by tapping on these three lines in the top left. After that, scroll down to get to the settings here. Select the associated Google/Gmail account. And after that, what you want to do is tap on the three dots in the top right, select manage accounts, select the associated Google account, tap on account sync here, and enable the Gmail syncing again by turning it off here to the right. And that's basically it. That should fix the issue, guys. Let us know in the comments if it did fix the issue for you. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.